Hello viewers, welcome to Satwa's YouTube channel. Many of us, including the celebrities, opt for very expensive surgeries, fillers and sometimes injections to get plumped lips. But have you ever thought of the surgeries that might have gone wrong? So it is better to always take a natural route to accomplish your dream of having plumped lips and to add more grace to your glamour. That is why we have brought to you an amazing DIY lip plumper that you can make with home ingredients very easily. So the ingredients that you need are Vaseline, brown sugar, peppermint essential oil, lavender essential oil, and last but not the least, a jar or a container. First, transfer some Vaseline into a small jar using the spoon. Now add 2 drops of each essential oil to the container. Now add brown sugar to the mixture, mix all the contents well and form a scrub. This powerful combination of brown sugar and essential oil works wonder within a few minutes. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Satwa. To watch our peppermint essential oil video, click here.